Bring that man for me. You're a great man. Something in you will arise. 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 Amen. God is really with you. God is with you. God is with you. You will have died. They fired the first arrow. They fired the first arrow. It fell. Second arrow. It fell. Because there is a mark you have here. Your prophecy will end up in mentioning somebody's name. That is why I would not like to say you. But I see something shooting out. Connection will come. Amen. Favor will come. Amen. That will put you to the realm of multi-billionaire. Amen. Because everybody is looking and waiting for you. You will see.
Because I want to ask this question. After watching this video, I realized that everybody now that's in I'm not just giving out to see all these my people giving out to fanana. Understand? Abaragaru, also in Africa. Can I haru? As in, I want to know the which kind of haru. That even when I tell you that I hate African system way of practicing Christianity with passion, I have a reason. You understand? I have a reason. How can you be more Christian than people that brought Christian to you? Go to US, go to South Korea, go to Japan, go to Portugal. Ewuro na akoroga akoko this na baragaru. Ewuro na eme umaka like this vuguvaga. Oyo na adra na naga with that reason. Oyi da China na igazita fuel 500 ngeresim 850. Oyi da China na igazita dollar 1000 ngeresim 1550 now. Oyi da China na iga go to rice 50,000 ngeresim 60 something thousand or 70 something thousand. What is going on in this our system way of practicing Christianity in Africa? Ekube like this na to bogo dike wure hitri. We are trying to as in make you people to just retreat to our step as in change something so na name it off man. I have some Christian friends. Na brokwandi soji nezuzu. Eh? Kife name nda jadana. That's my question. If you know why nda jadana like this, just tell me in the comment section. I want to know. Kamara kongesura da okona na oga wonda chana na ngazta bara is 50,000. Oyo soga eresia 70 something thousand. Nga ya ezuta dollar eresia 1,000. Oyo Muslim moye this and nga ezuta dollar eresia 1,550. What is going on in this country? Eh? As a bakunu that place.